Hi girls, do you like chevron patterns? I do, but I haven't used this stitch since I started blogging. Today we will fix it and crochet this cute wavy top. It's very easy and flexible pattern because the number of stitches is a multiply of 12. Before we start, please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Measure the fullest part of your chest and crochet foundation on single crochet a multiply of 12. I crocheted 120 single crochets and joined them with slip stitch to the first single crochet. The first round, chain 3, DC in same space, DC in next single crochet. Five DC crochet together in next 5 single crochet. DC in next 3 single crochet. Five DC in next single crochet. Single crochet in next 3 single crochet. Repeat the steps to the end of the round. In the end of the round, 5 DC and DC in the last 2 single crochet. The second round, chain 1 single crochet in each stitch to the end of the round and join with slip stitch to the first stitch. The third round, pull the loop, DC in next single crochet. 5 DC crochet together in next 5 single crochet. DC in next 3 single crochet. 5 DC in next single crochet, DC in next 3 single crochet. Repeat these steps to the end of the round. In the end of the round, 5 DC in next single crochet, DC in the last 2 single crochet, join with slip stitch to the first stitch. Repeat rows 2 and 3 until you reach 18 rows. Finish with a round of single crochet. The bottom. Crochet a wavy strap 4 rows of the pattern and join with slip stitch to each top of waves while you crocheting the last round of single crochet. Connect the second strap in the same way. You'll get 10 connected waves. The shoulders. Crochet a wavy strap 144 single crochet, 12 waves, and join with slip stitch to top of waves while you crocheting the last round of single crochet, but leaving the spaces for the armholes this way. Skip 2 waves of the body part, connect next 3 tops of waves, single crochet across the 3 waves of the strap. Skip next 2 waves of the body part, connect next 3 tops of waves and finish the strap. If you want to make more closed top, you should connect 5 waves of the front part and leave 1 wave for the armholes. Connect the second strap without leaving spaces for the armholes. Make a row of single crochet around the upper and the bottom parts of the top. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Information about sizes, materials and written instruction you can find below the video. Bye!